I know that you want your own personal private chef. I know that you want the most nutritious meals possible. Well, instead of having to watch the Food Network to see our celebrity chef, just come to Montana for the most amazing wellness retreat ever.
Join us in Montana for an opportunity of a lifetime where you'll be cooking with me and I'll be cooking for you in the kitchen.
Yes, this is an opportunity that you will not want to miss. Hiking in Glacier National Park, yoga, meditation, our own private house, and obviously our personal celebrity chef. Yes, August 24th through the 29th, Wellness Retreat in Montana. Sign up today. It's a private house, limited rooms. Sign up. Registration is open right now. We look forward to sharing a magical week of wellness, health, peace, and balance in the serene setting of the mountains of Montana, August 24th through the 29th.
We'll see you in Montana.
Yes.